browse random stuff here. Today we're gonna change these emblems to overlays. So that's what it's gonna look like. They just lay right over. Has some 3M tape on the back. So I pre-cleaned them with rubbing alcohol to get off any contaminants, any grease. So they're nice and clean. So what we're going to do should be pretty straightforward. Peel off the plastic covering the letters. Just put that to the side for now. And we're just going to basically, you can't really mess this up, I'm assuming. We're just going to press them on. Make sure we got good contact. All the way, all the letters. All right, looking good. What do you think? Back up, get a nice view. That's like a night and day difference, just like that. 10 seconds, right? And we also got the one for the back, the V6. We're gonna cover that up. Of course, one for the other side. And we got the inserts for the back of the vehicle where it says Tacoma. Nice inserted letters, same kind of setup with the 3M tape. So we're going to go ahead and leave this side in the sun. It's a little chilly out today, so we want that to heat up, get a nice good bond. And then we'll flip the truck around, let that sit in the sun, let it heat up, and then we'll put the other letters on. So stand by, we're going to go to the back of the truck and we'll put these on. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and we'll be back in just a second. Okay guys, I put one letter on for a trial here so you can see what it looks like. They do stick good, so the rest should be easy. They do have some 3M tape. So what we're going to do, I'm going to just peel half off. What we're going to do, we're going to line up this side first. Leave a little bit of leeway here. Make sure we're lined up. Again, we probably only get one shot at this, so we want to make sure it's pretty straight. That's looking good. Then we peel, and we'll just take it all off. It'll be fine. Just put this on. I'm going to start from the top. Everything is equal. Looks pretty perfect. Perfectly lined up. Just take your time. It's looking nice already, right? All right, I'm going to continue putting these on. We'll cut back to the video. We'll give you a little look, see how it looks. Don't forget, like, subscribe. See you in a minute and we'll show you how it turned out. All right guys, got all the letters on. Looking real good. Got the V6 one on as well. I'll leave those links in my Amazon cart that I bought them from, and I'll put them in the description. They were very inexpensive, and again, totally transformed the truck. So if you don't like chrome, which is me, definitely transform the truck. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and there'll also be a review coming of 2021 Tacoma Sport TRD. You see, it's looking pretty good, so look for that video as well. All right, have a great day. Again, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. See you on the next video.